Welcome to NextGen Tutorials. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove the background of an image in Excel. This is a great way to make your images stand out in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, click on the image you want to remove the background from. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to NextGen Tutorials for more useful tips and tricks. Now, with the image selected, click on the Remove Background button under the Picture Format tab. Excel will automatically highlight the areas it thinks should be removed in purple. If Excel's automatic selection isn't perfect, you can adjust it. To keep areas you want, click on Mark Areas to Keep and draw on the areas of the image you want to keep. To remove any extra parts, click Mark Areas to Remove. Once you're happy with your selection, click Keep Changes to apply the background removal. You now have an image without a background that you can place in your spreadsheet however you like. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to remove the background of an image in Excel. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to NextGen Tutorials for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.